some actual addition and subtraction using Roman numerals. The trick is simple. Convert to numbers first, calculate, then convert back. Addition. XIV plus XI. So first convert. XIV is 14. XI is 11. 14 plus 11 is 25. So 25 will be written as XXV. Now try this one. XIII plus XVI. Convert first. XIII is 13. XVI is 16. 13 plus 16 is 29. And 29 will be written as XXIX. Now subtraction. XXX minus XII. First convert. XXX is equal to 30. XII is 12. 30 minus 12 is 18. And 18 will be written as XVIII. Now try this one. L minus XIV. L is 50. XIV is 14. 50 minus 14 is 36. And 36 will be written as XXXVI. So always convert first. Calculate, then convert back. Never try to add or subtract Roman numerals directly. And that brings us to our next section. Now, if Roman numerals are so great, why did we stop using them for everything? Because they have limitations. Limitation 1. No zero. Roman numerals have no symbol for zero. Can you imagine maths without zero? Limitation 2. Only up to 3999. The largest number you can write in standard Roman numerals is 3999. XCIX. But what about 5000, 10,000 or 1 lakh? For them we need special symbols. But these are rarely used today. Limitation 3. Calculations are difficult. As we just saw, you have to convert first. Our system 1, 2, 3 is far faster and simple for maths. That is why the word moved on. But Roman numerals, they are still beautiful and still everywhere around us.